hindi pwedeng i-fake ang pagiging mabait all the time. Nakakapagod kasi you're going against how you really feel. Bilang doctor po, na nakakakita ng napakaraming mga tao na ganito yung pinagmumulan ng problema, pagkikimkim sa sama ng loob, kasi nga kailangan maging mabait, pero deep inside they are suffering. Ang nagiging resulta, it starts to affect yung kanilang kalusugan. Some people even develop cancer sa sobrang stress. Nakaka-gain weight din yung stress. Kaya mahirap pong mag-pretend na maging mabait all the time, lalo na kung deep inside, you don't really feel that way. So ano bang gagawin? Napakalaking bagay na nakatulong sa akin para ma-shift, ma-transform yung aking kalooban is actually going back to God. Reading the scriptures, developing a personal relationship with our Savior, Jesus Christ, accepting Him in my life. Naging natural. Yung pagiging mabait, naging natural. Yung pagiging compassionate, pagiging understanding, pagiging mapagpasensya.